front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to DATFAMILY5. Today we will be cleaning up the living room and the dining room table. I really hope y'all enjoy this content today. It's cleaning motivation. I hope you enjoy a little bit of decoration, inspiration. And so if you're new here, welcome. We are a family of 5 that loves life and having fun and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. If you are regular, hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back. Love you guys. Thank you so much. I won't be back until the end of the video, so y'all stay tuned for the afters.
Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beach's sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. This is a good life. Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beach's sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undeniable. love no one. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Keep my focus right. Every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one. Love of mine. Love of mine.
Eres la oficial, baby, no remix, yeah. No remix. Todas tus amigas, ese y Miss Me Girl. Todos necesitamos algún día ese feeling, yeah. Ay, sonríes tú, pero el feliz soy yo. Vente porque me bautices. Entre la luna y el sol, pegado siento calor, yeah, yeah. Como una historia.
Okay, you guys, here we are with the ending results of the cleaning, and I hope that y'all really have enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe down below. Make sure that you put that thumbs up if you like this video, and then also please make sure that you comment down below that what are you doing for St. Patrick's Day this weekend, and who you are and where you are from, because you know I like talking to y'all. We are the family that loves life and having fun, and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. We will see you on the tube. Peace out, you guys. Love you guys.
Como mentor, te caliento como el sol. Baby, no te hago el favor, hacemos el amor. Eso es a puro vapor. Y el que se siente mejor si es penalti pedimos el VAR. A los Messi te meto ese gol. En la disco queremos ver.